today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an offer and then how to set up an email that automatically sends whatever that offer was that you promised. I'm Lori Vegas Ballen, serving Las Vegas and Henderson in real estate, and then I'm also a technology and marketing coach. So what we're going to do is when we go onto our website and we make an offer, let's just say for a free guide. So I'm making an offer to get their free How to Grow a Facebook Group guide, 21-page PDF, okay? Now what I did is the first thing I did is I went over to WordPress and I uploaded the PDF that I want to deliver so that I would have a link, okay? So there's lots of ways that you can do this or get links or attach files. You could use a shareable Dropbox link as long as you've got a way for them to click a link and get the item. So I uploaded it here quite simply. I just went over to media and then go to new media. So if you're using WordPress, this works for you. Choose file. I found the file, uploaded it, and then once it was uploaded, if you just go to media, refresh, there it is. Then each one of these images, files has its own unique URL. So this is the unique URL. So watch this. If I grab that URL, I'm going to copy it, open in a new tab, hit paste, there's their PDF. So they can print it, they can do whatever they want. Now just a quick little tip here. I made this PDF. It's not fancy at all, but I made this in about 30 minutes by just copying and pasting what was on my blog and then putting a header on it and then kind of resizing the images so they fit just by dragging and dropping the little images so that they fit there. And I did this in a Word document and then file, save as PDF, optimize for digital, and then I made this PDF. And all of the links actually work. So if somebody's scrolling in here and they see a link and they click it, all of these links are actually live, and then it takes them to the blog or to wherever I want them to go, okay? So that's something there to keep in mind. They can bookmark it, they can print it, they can go back and forth. All right, so once we have that link, the PDF, we're going to go into Constant Contact. Now, if you haven't tried Constant Contact yet, I have a free 30-day trial. You can check out Constant Contact using the link below in the description. So we're going to go ahead and go to Create Email Automation. Create Automated Series. Now here's what I want to do. I'm going to title this Facebook Group Ebook. Save. Select an email trigger. So if somebody joins my list called Facebook Group Guide PDF Offer, save, then I'm going to edit this. I want to send this immediately. Send immediately this email. Now I've already created an email, so I'm just going to go here to copy existing email. Facebook Group Guide, drop that in. Okay, if I had not already created an email, I could have just clicked create an email and use the templates. Now, if I want more to happen after this, okay, they get the guide, then they get week 1, Facebook tips, week 2, Facebook tips, week 3, sales item for my course, week 4, invite to evergreen webinar, that type of thing. If I want to create like a funnel, I can actually do that right here by just clicking add to series. And then what do I want to add to the series? Move up, move down, wait 4 days, send this. Okay, so that's how we would build that out. So it's often it's a good idea to create what your workflow is going to be. What is your funnel going to look like? So you say to yourself, okay, I'm going to create a 3-month funnel or a 10-touch funnel or a 15-touch funnel, whatever you're going to do. And these are what I want to be in the steps. Then you can go ahead and put some placeholders down here and put week 1 or week 2, week 3 or week 4. So for example, add to series. Let's say I want to make sure this person gets something else. So I can say, all right, I want them to also get copy existing email, and I want them to get my, I'll just show you an example, keto recipe and webinar invite. And I click save. So now, wait 4 days and they would get this. So that's an example of how you're going to create your funnel. So the best way to do that is to create the flows. What do you want it to look like? Create the emails and then put them into these steps. If you're going to create them 1 week at a time, then you're probably going to have to clone this action plan at another point, clone the campaign, and then build in those extra steps, because you're not able to edit it that way after the fact. All right, so I've got this. If they land in this list, then do this, send this email, and then I'm going to activate it. So what I have done is I just went into my lists here up in contacts, and I created a new list called Facebook group. That way, this would be akin to using tags, but I've got lists for all my segmenting. That's how we're using this in Constant Contact. So I created this list here, Facebook group guide PDF offer. And then what I did is I have a little pop-up on my website, and with the integrations on that pop-up, it says to import them into this list. Okay? And I'm actually doing that through Opt-in Monster, which I'll show you. You can see this in your in the description below. And I've made other videos on setting up all of your Opt-in Monster integrations. But let's see. Let me test this. So we did if current path contains FB. Oh, let's do one more. Social media. Okay, if it contains Facebook, or if it contains. Okay, so let's do this. We'll go over to LoriBallen.com. There it is. 21-page guide to growing your Facebook group. This guide is a printable digital PDF with live links. Save and study. They enter their name here, Lori Ballen, their email. I agree to receive emails from Lori Ballen. Get the details. Thank you. Please check your email. They close this and they're still on the same page. So then let's go ahead and go look at it. We'll go over to Constant Contact. And there it is, Facebook Group Guide PDF offer. And then we're able to see when that sends and if they engaged or opened once they get it. So that's all there is to creating your offer and sending it automatically.